After DeepSeek and Kimi AI, China has launched yet another chat model that's called Qwen AI model. It has got a lot of features and it can handle the text, images, or even the audio. So let me quickly guide you how you can access and use this chat model. To access the Qwen AI chat model, you're just gonna launch your browser and you're just gonna go to this website here, chat.qwenlm.ai. Let me quickly sign up and log in. Continue with Google. Select your Google account. Continue. Final confirmation. It's been automatically logged in. It has got a lot of options. On the top here, you can choose the AI model, that is Qwen AI model. Currently, it's on Qwen 2.5 Max. Click on this drop down arrow and select any model that you like. This button lets you add the model. Adding the models becomes handy if you want to compare your answers as per different models for the same question instantly. If you come here, it has got several options. You can create the image. Just provide a prompt here and you can create the image. Let me pick this sample. So it's very flawless. Let me delete this chat for now. In a similar way, we can also go to video generation and create the video by providing prompt. Web search feature is coming soon. It also has got artifacts option, which means that the output is created by training process and not any models. If we turn on this artifacts option, you'll not get the option to add the models here. That means you create the output by training. Apart from all these options, it has got more features here like coding. You can also make a plan and even more here. If you click on more, it gives you the option to analyze image, summarize text, create advice, brainstorm, etc. And it has also got the option to attach the file or documents. If you click on upload document, it lets you upload your file and make a comparison among your file or provide information about those. However, the current selected model, that is Qwen 2.5 Max, doesn't support uploading the image. Let me choose this one and see if it supports. Okay, I think none of the models which exist here currently support the image uploading option. Maybe they might update this feature in the future, so let's wait for it. So you can type in any command, query or question here to get the answers. Let me put the question here. Send the question. So we got the answer here. We can even download or share this question by clicking on this button here. It has several options like share, overview, download, copy, etc. So that's a very short and quick guide how you can use the Qwen AI. If you like this video, then just give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.